Hi, this is Michael Nesbitt. I'm going to be doing a quick review of TradeMiner, which is this piece of software here. And what TradeMiner does, I don't know if anyone knows anything about stocks, futures, forex, and the stock market and trading in buying and selling basically on the stock exchange. But what this piece of software does is really quite interesting. I don't know very much about the stock market at all, but this did really perk my ears up and did make me think how interesting this actually was. And what TradeMiner does is it identifies all the history that's gone with that particular kind of stock. It identifies seasonal trends and all of the cycles that do occur within buying and selling. Like, I'm sure that if people were buying and selling turkeys, for want of a better thing, I'm sure the prices would go up around Christmas, around Thanksgiving, around Easter, around times when people obviously have turkey for dinner, and it's more popular time of year. There'll be seasonal trends for certain things that sell at a certain time of year. There'll also be seasonal historical trends for things that come round in big cycles. For argument's sake, if there is a new iPhone comes out, the price of lithium may go up before that because of all the batteries that are being made. If there's a new Tesla car coming out and there's anything used within the batteries with that, maybe the price of that would go up. All these things seem to be related, and this software will spot all of these different cycles and different trends and help you identify what may be very, very useful information for you. It says here it's a scientifically documented methodology. Excuse me. Stocks tend to have relatively high or low returns each year in the same calendar month, which is very interesting. So particular months are particularly popular for different things. Doubtless the price of paper goes up at Christmas because people obviously buy tons and tons of wrapping paper worldwide for such a large holiday. So that might be relevant to actually the price of paper. I know the price of paper does fluctuate quite a lot as well, but at a certain time of year it might fluctuate then. So this would make total sense that a piece of software would be able to look into this, and you would be see the patterns and the independent size of the industry earnings, announcement dividends of a fiscal year. The results are consistent with the existence and persistence of seasonal effect in stock returns. So it does make absolute sense that this would be a cyclical thing and things would buy and sell at different times of year. What it does, it does quick scans. It also analyzes various graphs, so you can see this in physical form rather than just having the figures in front of you on a spreadsheet. When you can see an actual graph in front of you, then you will see the price of paper may go up at Christmas because wrapping paper is more popular, and other things may come down at a certain time of year. And if you're able to look back 5 or 10 years, then you would realize that your chances of making money at a certain time of year would actually benefit you and be easier to do because you would purchase those things, say, the month before. So this makes total and absolute sense. You can customize the search optimization for particular groups, particular things that you specialize in buying, like steel or paper or wheat or whatever it actually is. So that is TradeMiner, and I think that could be great, and could be a fantastic thing for someone to actually want to use. Thanks very much indeed.